Take note of, the most important part is the gold, y'all. The Oconee gold. If you want any kind of barbecue sauces, this is the man right here. Oconee Gold, Coach Argo. Follow Oconee Gold on Instagram and hit him up if you want to make your meals even better. And for us, you want to make those trucks, cars, and SUVs better, you come see us at Willies at Akins Ford in Weiner, Georgia. Monday, July 18th, and my friend, Mr. James Argo, he coached Brady in football, a great guy in Oconee County, brought us his GMC with a big bad 6.2 liter, about to get some Covert edition action with Caleb up at the shop. Gonna level it, fuel blitzes, and ridge grapplers. Let's go. Coach Argo is gonna love this, y'all. And I call him Coach because he coached Brady, putting in all his knowledge and talent and energy into making the boys even better out there on the football field. Plus, his daughters are some athletes too. But now, the feature presentation is a beautiful GMC Sierra 1500, now Covert edition, leveled on 34s with a 2-inch kit, 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge grapplers. That perfect balance with the fuel blitz and that platinum finish plus 20 offset. We're barely sticking out, maybe a half an inch. We're right there slightly. We still got nice coverage, so he's not gonna have any issues with debris or rocks, etc. flying up. I think it's gonna be perfect for him. And if we'd have gone any bigger as far as the offset or tire, offset more meaning more negative, or tire meaning bigger or wider, we're gonna have some issues. We did not have to trim anything, but you see how tight it is on the GMC and Chevrolets. It's just very, very, very tight as far as how constricted we are, but we know what to do to make it happen. So no trimming whatsoever on this setup. Again, 20x9 plus 20, 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge grappler. It's a sweet spot, rolling lock bed cover, 2-inch level kit from Ready Lift up front. Money Covert edition for a money coach. It's a Ford dealership, but we also love to take care of GMC and Chevrolets. Y'all, thanks so much again for another one. Stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe button because I got another one for you coming up next.